About a year ago, I learned a few vocal techniques while trying to learn the double voice that weren't quite right. I didn't want this footage to go to waste, so here's a few odd transitions you can do with your voice. This is falsetto. This is mixed voice. The idea is to quickly change from a breathy voice to a tight voice in one push of air. I have, however, found it difficult to consistently get the right breathy and tight voice. Essentially, the idea is to push your voice crack into higher registers slowly, doing a voice crack in one direction but quickly switching the direction of the note you make. To learn this method, you need to first understand how your voice is actually produced. Using your abs to control your diaphragm, you push air through your vocal folds in your voice box. The vocal folds vibrate the air as it passes through to make a tone. As the air travels through your voice box, it essentially forms a tunnel you can imagine at the back of your mouth going down into your throat. You can control the shape, size, and angle of this tunnel to a certain degree to change how you sound. In terms of controlling this tunnel, we care about two muscle groups in particular. Let's look at these groups separately. Muscle group A. The control for this muscle group can be felt when you gasp for air or vocalize inwards, or slide your pitch really far up when singing. You may need to hollow your throat and make your voice airy to get the right feedback. Your uvula will probably retract and your Adam's apple, if you have one, may shift upwards. It feels like the back part of your mouth is getting sucked into your throat. Focus on the ring of muscles at the very back of your mouth around the opening hole of your throat. Muscle group B. The other muscle group can be felt when you change between pitches in head voice, or flex your soft palate. Try to move your soft palate up and down or tilt it left or right. It'll feel like light tugging or pulling on different areas of your soft palate and may be accompanied by tongue movement. It's a somewhat subtle feeling with lateral feedback possibly reaching almost to your molars. Next, let's practice controlling muscle group A. Sustain an airy high note while constricting the ring that is muscle group A to make the whole of your throat as small as possible. While doing this, try to pull different points on the ring as far back into your throat as possible. Make sure you don't let up the air pressure and the note you sing should not change. Next, let's practice controlling muscle group B. Sing an airy high note and slowly move the pitch up and down. We'll now work on the tricky part. First, sustain an airy high note while constricting the ring that is muscle group A to make the whole of your throat small and pull back into your throat a point at the top of the ring. Muscle group B should be pushing downward during this time. Next, while maintaining this oral posture, sing a smooth upwards pitch stretch while pulling muscle group B upwards as well in one push of air. Finally, let's do what we just did, but while we smoothly stretch the pitch upwards in one push of air, also flick the position you're pulling backwards on the ring that is muscle group A from the top to the bottom. Focusing on the single push of air can sometimes help with execution. You should feel the tension flick across the opening hole of your throat. It can take time to get accustomed to coordinating this motion. Take breaks to not over-fatigue your muscles. Also, practice with your mouth open to avoid cheating with your tongue or transitioning between humming and singing. This approach works by quickly snapping between two significantly different orientations of the airflow tunnel. The opposite movement of muscle group A and the muscles involved in raising pitch, like muscle group B, creates a tension needed for such a snap. But you can control muscle group B without changing the pitch. By paying attention to both muscle groups, you can find other positions to flick between with sufficient tension. Here's a demonstration with a different pair of positions I found useful. Try playing around with coordinating the two muscle groups and let me know what works for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.